everybody. King WHF Gamer 2000 here. I got a bit of an update of the 1997 Hoover Splint model u4257-930. I've not done a video of this machine for about a while, and I think I still have it on me. Let's go ahead and make a full update video of it. And we will go through those later in its appropriate part of the video. And the update is, this 1997 Hoover Splint finally has the correct Hoover Elite cross tool attachment on it now. That was sitting in the Hoover Potscore container box, I usually like to call it, that I had lying around. So I took that out of there, put on this machine, and now my 1997 Hoover Splint finally has the correct Hoover Elite close tool attachment that I found in the Hoover Potscore container that I had lying around. And now the correct Hoover Elite close tool actually does fit on the Hoover Splint now. And it's no longer loose anymore. So that's fantastic. But with that said, we'll go ahead and get this on. And this 1997 Hoover Splint finally has the correct Hoover Elite close tool attachment that I have found in the Hoover Potscore container that I have lying around as a spare. So I managed to found it, and I put it on this machine, and now my 1997 Hoover Splint finally has all of the correct attachments for it, which is very nice. I mean, it is kind of odd in its design that apparently that nobody was not bidding on. So I managed to put my bid into it, and I managed to win the thing. And now, this 1997 Hoover Splint resides in my vacuum collection, along with my 2008 Senator S647 Type E, that I will need to eventually find a new handle I bought for it, along with my all-original 1975 Kirby Classic Omega 1CB. But anyway, and up next is going to be a vacuum acquisition, a 1975 Kirby Classic Omega 1CB, that's all original. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye everybody!